Adeshimaima yama munyina muache adamuase Sompa TV sunie anapa no nsia brem kase no ene braso se ye de eba bedai wo wadaroma sam ne doso ne mom hye no so obesa be ede afa Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 98.9 and a Sompa 90.7 esemwa eba no bi ene say Empanyfo ya one more peace council atun sembi ediama en central for ya emunsem ewa hase nom e wonsem foforo no na ababeto dwa se koko board for wonu mechre se besia boya wo manche kwabobo edi bewura kokko adwuma nim no afi we se ni afi edi anim no enya ade awo to aso edi se adwuma no ebiem na empanyfo ya wonum so no ewo ahafo ano no for about 2 pesos so MPP amanyoko nim no efutuo kese pa na akọ ede ama wonom yewra chama wontumi so ebisa yewra JDM kosebia ni nyina emu ensem no yede eba bedan wo ebusia ensem bi ene afoforo bi eka yenum ho na ene anopet 21st clinic the sciatica expert wonom aso yasene ya yede eba bedan wo sisi achintine sa ho efa oto ase akwasi wo 19 wonom eye tutu etwetwenwa eho ena wasa wode wani kire na woto ase edema wo afa liberty conference enso omahine yaw adubuache awieye bremu nyame abasa ayekese ewo ne sonte no 31st of August wo kwa akohie mu ewo eye Jubilee Park nti eya enyi wo ho efri mu OCP Ghana Limited Edwin Fertilizer no so eboye chidomo sinya bi fa petepeto no baye so na bibia so enkoye emfama ye brese fatamo no wa honsam asiase na busia ye de beto monim na kan ye ho ewo Facebook eye Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube no Sompa TV www.somponline.com semno ya kru kra kogwo kwasanim na kenka wo de na esatie bi free ho midi de ohineire mame ekua yeboa esiama bronya adofo afi anje brani adagena ensem no senia esi etie no yentime emfa enaimu Edna Media Foundation for West Africa, Afe National Media Commission, and National Peace Council, one equal, and Kasahu Jumedie B, now one equal ye at the Mama 4, and Afe and Central 4, and I'm sa a Shamudiana Sieno, and a penny pa ya wano, would when the Echemo our Peace Council one and a done with Titani, Reverend Dr. Ernest Dujanfi, what Jakasemu Ekasa Duana, and a footwo Duana so, equal Edema and Central for ni titru ene semufo ene emu empanyifo no sa won hwe sa bre ya yeboabo ya ho awura abatuo ni mu na afenso na wie ye no asomdwe no e wose kosoa edihin wo mem asenom enti won hwe na ensem a wode ba bonten no enkoye kasa enye nokre de no nokre se bia na de aba bonten kasa twitwie ene kasa ede wo ye ne ebefa so de ntokwa aba no ye hwe ne nyina kwa efri yen kasa mu.
People keep telling us there cannot be peace when there is no justice, expecting the Peace Council to take on the role of cases that are even in the courts. Again, Act 818 does not give the Peace Council the power to prosecute anybody. Others have asked the Council, why are you not calling the executive to order? Forgetting that there are institutions like Parliament, the Council of State, and civil society organizations who have roles to play in that regard. The National Peace Council, therefore, is presumed by a section of Ghanaians to have powers above every institution in this country, and therefore should be able to pronounce on every matter. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Our mandate is to mediate through dialogue. We only have our mouth and nothing else, unless Act 818 is
Ebusia nipa yete nenke wono ene yetitreni edema omem hase no bedwa ya wo hwe asomdwe ho ntotoye no Reverend Dr. Ernest Dujanfi ene ne den wodwumedie no krona ase no na panyin kwankyerɛ for executive director edema Media Foundation for West Africa and so Yewra Suleiman Abrahima wɔno so ɛkasa yɛ no no so kyerɛ mfasodie ya ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ na yɛkɛma menka biamamuo ya yɛkyekyere ɔmayi yɛde no ɛna ɛkorɔ no yɛbɛtimi abɔ ho ban ne yɛpagya no na mmom yɛnkɔfa nneɛma bi amantam no ɛmfa nsɛntwerɛfoɔ so ɛnam wɔn nsɛm bi a ɛbɛtimi ɛde wɔ yɛne aba abɛsoɛ so.
It is a central for, of course, your human and the kind of say, yeah, amount for can I amount for. But yes, you was the say, so become dinner and ya, now see the better jump. I was a mamma for whom say, Yanni Panaco canning. Instead, say, a bear so, ya report to Akeke, near Jano. A man of name say, yes, so, you may be no, it seemed to be happened. This answer, a banner battle, any Omayan can crony, a cabin can be no. Central for aside kese ewo enti so obi koka se de ye bia ye be win power ye be ya na e wo se nipa kro no waka se awie no e wo se ye kona na so na ebisa no o mankyere mu se e wo se okum nipa kra na o de win power wo be kum ana e wo se wo de ye friend se asrafo eko bobotu o ba bia wo be ya na na nya wo ka ye no na o pa kire se so obi ka se ye nsan peace pact no a edientia because about to atwa mu nyina no brano ye sign peace pact seboa obi nim
Abusiani Okasa ye wono any executive director Edema Media Foundation for West Africa ye Suleiman Abrahima eno no na ne dia no echi no and a board member Edema Ghana Peace Council no so ye Mrs. Joanna Opare wono so edekakra etwa to mayen
kan boko muntami ade edu baabi na niama ye yi a wo bisa won se efe de ni tumi e de tuja enti niama ni anamo a ya to so far no e ka ho bi e na na no ye kwa aburu a NDC for na nko boafu se o mo nko ipac biom but nyamiada roma enu de o mo asa ko join ipac asa meeting no de na ye so nko EC obia na ye nije keke sini NDC for kasa we anyway kasa before ni nyina wo ho nti one of nyama ya I fine palma say NDC ko omo participate so e wo ipac
Abusia Madam Joanna we board member Edema Peace Council no ne de e na yetie ye ne ye ko e de akwayenim e wo ensemfofro ma ne ewramo wo meyi enchichiriye ye din pa ya yaje e wo ewiase nyina no wo hwe ade ba ko ye timi aye o ma ya chiribramo ya epeja ye ame yakwakoduru ho ne no ene koko bra Fernando po ye ratete kwahide bi firi wo ba ye no aba bebo wo meyi ame yensi kasem e na afenso ye mpeja mu nsem no etibi akoso e wo basahare so na abribia no afi e ba beso a obehwe na koko ho ensem no akwakoye deje mu nsem na esika ma ye na no e na koko board se ya wo mkobobo besia efri macho baby no mo de aba e de amakrachefo no mo so atimi de atoto koko no faso ba wate one day e de free so na nam sa yo so e na Mr. Boahin Edu no e na ye koko board panyi kwankyerefo ya wotua no wade atodwa se 2024 ne 2025 e na ye koko season ye ba besim no enya de akoko board e behwe amane akwakobo besia e wo nche bia na mom wan kasa wan dwuma so ya wadie no eso faso kakra ba no de behwe no de abo won ho bra se be ya won so dwumadie no bibia bekoye ne titru e de amanananom akuafo.
For the first time in the history of Ghana Cocoa Board wants to win itself from the offshore syndication. We want to be self-financed. Since 1992, Cocoa Board has been going offshore to borrow from syndication of banks, a consortium of banks. And 32 years, I think, is quite a good time for any human being to learn his or her lessons. 32 years, we've learned our lessons, and we think that it's high time, we weaned ourselves from the offshore international financial markets, and then, finance the crop. We've studied the markets for the longest while.
Ebusiani eti nenken wono eni penyi kwankyerefo a wotua koko boda no ye rabohin edu ene ne den afeye nwemu ewo NPP wo so kokroko amanyoko ni mo na boafo so no koye ne wato nsa ayi no sa wo meboa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ema wonto abono entimi nkoye ema amafo nye wontom na bato ne do atimi akotim de ama wonom no eye Ramatthew opoku prempe enu ada wade ntoabo ahihye so ewo ahafo no empotem obro kodu tepa no wan nananom ekodi ehia nam sayo sonte no Dr. Edusei atwenewa ampem wono ene tepa manhene wade afutuo bi ekọ edema yewura napo ene MPP mpanyufo efa won akasa won pesua no so renchi bi a ekoso ewo mpotem ho
Rasuli odama una na kasa ho wo say otam sani na najma prempe pu awo na wonya nmunyam na pega ye no ebu na najma so so sheri bi zo yewura na po abahai zo MPP fo fe zo na ina ye hwehwe no zo de ode na najma epre aba no efo kwa ku frem pon wo na po efie zo eye kwa ku frem pon na tita afori ina no yɛmɛ na pɔgɔ bade a ɛnea na ka kyerɛ sɛbe na n'adwuma sule ɔmo nyinaa ntwe saa nkurɔfoɔ nyinaa mɛta na n'adwuma akyi yɛn nyinaa yɛ kutukufoɔ.
Ebusia temaban hene ena na okasa na no akasa na no nso ne chia mehene wono so ede ensemu a woka na eto amansan enimo no na ne de no achi ne yewura napo enso asise de kyerɛ na nanom.
Sakolana abohu bienu no stage free senior high school akobesi ko school na obi anu papa ni ma mi sika awa pass so be ehienti o se be both people le ba ye dai e go school and the chief about class be wa hifie o se 2014 le ba pass senior high school and now ehienti we tue for the bona ye dai 2017 2018 the baby new passé and now say about me to share papa bia so for free senior high school about the money a day over to school the guy go the teacher say but you say as a na na go for do ba no 2014 the money to go school no can MPP wo me go a
Ebusia yewura napo tuapemu edema yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ena yetie no na fe ye nkotitire ne de man pipi amanyoko no ne fa ye no wasante mantama se yewura Bernard Ntwibosia ko ya wo frɛ no eye chama wontumi enso diem panyin ne sentrefo atwetwe enkomo bi na ne nkomo twetwe ne nyina akoye ekosa ena wode ema yewura JDM se wono akasa no bresanten ya wo ba ye eba amanyosemo ene yewura Mills fi okra ma ne bedi ade no ede ba ade pa eda panyin nya ewa amanyomu a ene wasa kwa ba wase em friend second John na say second coming of John no anything wase ba wo ba no woni madekode ya wo ba be painting no wo bi say JDM say ne de ben ena aka Ghana fo ho ya kyese wote abem one page ankwa no nte no opesa wosan ebabiem na agroi ye yumo osi aka masa ba akopɛ yenkotie yewura chama wontumi nsem ni bi
I'm not free education. So to a back, and the mother of me, what to a body, I'm not free education, so free education. So to a back, and the Maya, why you never do as let's say, what to a body, I'm not free education. She says, some of us they are from Kumasi to Accra. And this leader says, I will look aside. Aya kufa deliver Omia on the greatest Ahuko, rollers, Ariabo, Anyaka, water tracker, on the other side, Demofa, and Mayafua, only with power here, and we in here, our Santiago Center. This was it was
Ebusia yewura untumi ene etie no afeyenko yewura ya wono ya friend no Wilson Coffee wire officer ya in charge ewo youth in agric what Chamber of Agribusiness Ghana. One also Eden Samuel to joining in an equal the amount penny for one share. If we are so way no, usum body and wasum kwadu, koko and some and oh my Ghana penny for be a wabaswono. What me do when ni so name mom, and we about would one as and food I would want a dear. A ya not ya you want no makwa at the free and punto quasunteno. Yen shana yentime and wasebe ya. I'll watch a more and some no. A betty me a sipina a sita ama or combrania one share dache. A betty me a unity and nam and near ma enquaye. A one penny for femono. Yet me abo buying.
Yeah, because population so demand for food no and so air cost. Okay, police na government the buy now. That is the one. But you have to get to buy a nice and what if the air can say most of them back. But the more you want that the old one no into and because they are citizens no. On the life now, right now we are introduced a youth in agribusiness advocates. You have to youth Nina, involving or more agriculture. Now, let's say youth not interested in our party. Let's say started with industrialization, mechanization, and you can one and maybe challenge you on the day. And I'm interested in the farming because
I was seeing young concern from when Yaka national security impenium for any Bristol crowd dom ya chesa wash share oil marketing companies Mahumako Ediana one penny for ye nay watopia afa a giant. Now what rest say bulk oil storage and transportation ya ye Trinity akan Boston no one bonum afa so ya chesa secretary di ya wade one cano and ya sem keto show a baby enye ye na ensemi na central for ebo priera Edwin Provinca wano and a penny quantra for ya boss to chia no yan no kwatwe enkomo efansem hu sei and odi anu ye ni maye.
When petroleum products are bought, the boss margin is to be collected by the people who sell the product, right? The OMCs. And these OMCs collect the money and don't remit the money to MPA for onward transmission to boss. And when it goes on for a while, the company is closed down, you can't find the directors. As we speak, those 44, we are in court with about 26 of them to pay the money. And then for the rest, we can't even, the companies are dead. Can't find it. Hopefully, with the power of government, we can raise the veil and go after the director. We have escalated to IOCO. We have escalated to, we've had some debt collection companies. We are in court with others. So we are working around the clock to collect these monies. But I think because it is government money, I think that I should be able to raise the veil of incorporation and go after the directors and get them to come and pay the money. Because what they do is that they set up companies, they rack up the boss margin, they use it for their personal interest, and they kill the company. It's a lot of money. They inherited a lot of these debts.
Ebusianti break a chief executive officer ya wotia bosta no ye Dr. Edwin Provinca and nesam no ye ko ekotie ye no na 21st clinic one a sciatica expert wo sisiachi entini ye sanwe fa to asefa osremu na tiasi wanantu etoda bia na asi wonantini ho wo shempa bo akra na wura wo hu ebi wo ho na etwetwen etutu wadro no ewo a sciatica expert 21st clinic for ho and 15 branches we bia wo mema fa na nyina ko ne kwaje wa yaresa ya de nka ya bia de fri wuti so ekope mo borra no nabusia owo ho e de ma massage papa bi won fidie kuku dam enso ewo ho number ne 0540 311 no wase wa de Europe tour no ahyehyɛ so enu ti bomoden na Europe abrochima bi awo so no na efa abai nenso no wasan ewremo ewo South Africa na wo Johannesburg Switzerland na Zimbabwe wo dia ne sa obefa abai 0244 915-116 na wo book appointment na doctor for no one ya nurse for no abeshow Liberty Conference is here again August edition no eba so eno nti no boaboa wo ho fa twen o mahene ya wadu boache Nyankopon awie ye bremo no wato ensure na gu no so say wontini mu nsem na enka afoforo bi enye wono free won ponchire mo eno nti Nyankopon ya adomo amemenda ya ebei ne na wotwe pepepepepe no pa no nsia ken na ye nyina ya boade mu ewo Jubilee Park Kumase na ose brother hit o show biara ebo ewo woni padue mu wankasa wa ho yira ya wowom ewo abrabo ne asetene mu no wose wo ba twiregu krata so nefa kende eka ho mo ba beso abompa ye gu so mu wia motwaja ede atoma mane ne nyina no etuotwa ene ho ebusia bra na obeba beye ensura OCP Ghana Limited and so ed one fertilizers no so yasene na no pay e wo ensem ne mo wose yen kan chos na nanom akuafo mo beche mo no baye no ebibra so dia na ye OCP MPK 50-50-15 no anase OCP MPK 10-20-10 no akwaje dia petepete no baye ahodo so mo amoye patra mo do eburo emo ayo atoko ne sa ne ma no eno ena mo hia OCP enro yi bi ewo chemical shop bia ebuso ewo ho wonom ema no eye 0555-909437 and 0555-904333 na wetimi ajewo so emsia hasenom ene yede kase ne nyina esie yemfa aseda emaye rasamofo asante yeboa Benedict kokwa Veronica Jando ahofedu evergreen mama wono ena no pe wotra fide na chi echinchi ne fruma ede ema me ye na news create wa Sompa 93.1 kase dem for ase Sompa 98.9 wosunyane ena Sompa 90.7 wo munyina so aseda ne bi ekode ama wonum Shadrack ene Azuka no pe ne chinchi fide ne fruma de mame a Mr Dave ene dob no so hwe Sompa TV MC aho ede mame medi de ohene ire mame ekua yeboa Siama Bronya, Madaro Mame sorry so ama your man in the morning.